Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world, and where you are tuning in from right now. Hello, everyone. And I'm here again. Woo-hoo. So it's me again, Julianne. And I'm here on your live for today. You might see me every day because we are having this 90 day success challenge, and today is our 58th day. So yes, we have this 98 days a 90-day success challenge because of three main reasons. I want to have a personal growth, professional growth, and to form a new habit, right? Because we know naman that everyone forming a new habit is so difficult and hard to start. Hard to do and to maintain if you haven't started it. So, this is the three main reasons why I'm here on your live for today. Yahoo! So, yes, yes, yes. So, by the way, again, my name is Julianne, and I'm the owner of this website, www.josankit.com, and I have my Facebook page, Layan Abad, and my Facebook business page, which is Jawa and Kids. And yes, I have this website because I have a business, digital online business, and I'm a business owner and a mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart their online businesses. So, for today's topic, because we have every day we have a topic for today we're gonna be talking about teamwork. So teamwork makes the dream works, right? So um I don't know how will I start this, but yes, before everything else, I just want to ask this question, and we're gonna answer it later on, diba? So, how's your day, guys? I just want to know how's your day, and how are you doing? Hope everything is fine, and always remember, every day is a new day. So, don't let the hard days win, right? Find strength in those and keep going and rise above. So, yes, because every day is a new day. So, don't let the hard days win, guys. Yesterday, just keep it behind. Let the past stay behind. Learn from it, and then keep going and be better every day. Okay. So yeah, I have a question before we're gonna tackle the topic for today, or before we're gonna discuss the topic for today. I have a question for you guys. So let us see. Yan. So, what's the secret ingredient that turns a group of individuals into a high-performing team? Yan ang aking question for today. And hope everyone, habang nag-iisip kung ano nga ba ang tamang sagot diyan, um, let me say hi to my business partner, Cheryl. Hello, hello, girl. How are you? How's your Tuesday? And what did you choose for today? So, um, hello, Jeans. Hi, thank you for coming into my live. So, here's the question for today. What's the secret ingredient that turns a group of individuals into a high-performing team? Yung isa, sweldo or income. Yung isa, hello, hello. Yung isa, or the award. Uy, tama lahat yan. But before we're gonna go on that question, we're gonna be talking about teamwork. O, di ba? What's the importance of teamwork in our business, 'di ba? So, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So that yan yung question ngayon. What's the secret ingredients of what's the secret? What's the importance of teamwork in the business, in our especially in our business? Let me just change that banner. There you go. So, yon. Ano nga bang importance ng teamwork? we know naman na teamwork is really great, especially if may mga kasama kasi, 'di ba? Two, three heads are better than one, o 'di ba? Kasi we always share ideas, we always share our talents, our expertise, our capabilities, 'di ba? Kasi may kasabihan tayo na ah ano yung kasabihan na yun? No man is an island. Ayan, walang mabubuhay na tao na nag-iisa, 'di ba? Kailangan may kasama siya. Kung hindi siya lang, kasama niya ang Panginoon, 'di ba? That's the beauty of it. So, yes, always teamwork makes the dream work. Yes. Mamaya muna ang mga sagot ninyo. Basahin ko yung mga sagot niyo later on. Pero nawala. So, so I will talk first. Teamwork makes the dream work. Paano nga ba ang teamwork na naso-solve niya ang dream ng isang tao or ng isang grupo, 'di ba? Paano sila naging high performing, 'di ba? Pero before that, shout out nga muna kay Sis Gina Bertes. So, thank you for coming into my life sa aking asawa. Ayan, ang sabi niya, food daw. Ala, mamaya ko nga basahin yung mga sagot niyo. Sige, isusulat ko yung mga sagot niyo. Choose to watch all the replay and catch up sa mga go live. Ah, ba? Support, support. Yeah, teamwork is the ingredient. Yes. And as always, teamwork makes the dream work. Sige, yan yung mga sagot niyo mamaya. So, but before I'll go to your answers, let me just go back to the topic for today, which is teamwork makes the dream work. And yan yung nakalagay sa aking banner. And we all know naman that uh, dahil sa teamwork, nagkakaroon ng respeto at respect sa isa't isa, di ba? At bakit nga ba kailangan natin ng teamwork, especially in the business? Kasi di ba pag business owner ka, ikaw na ang boss, ikaw na ang CEO at lahat-lahat. Pero bakit dito sa business natin kailangan natin ng teamwork? Kasi kahit na dito sa business namin, yes, we have this digital online business and teka lang, i-close ko muna yun. We have this digital online business and we all know we are already a business owner. And that it means that if you're a business owner, you can work your business alone, 'di ba? So ikaw na ang mag-isa, pero sa business na 'to, hindi po pwede. Gano'n, eh, hindi po pwede talaga, gano'n, eh. Kasi kasi sa business na 'to, kailangan pa rin ng teamwork. Kailangan pa rin ng mga kasama mo na business partners. Yes, you can work it on your own, you can stand on your own, but if you want a faster way or a high performing kumbaga na business, you really need to have a team that you can work with, right? So especially here in digital online business kasi paiba-iba ng trend 'yan, paiba-iba ng may mga pagbabago lagi. Eh kapag wala kang kasama, hindi mo alam kung ano ang nagbago. Kaya mas maganda na may teamwork, 'di ba? At saka bakit nga ba kailangan may teamwork? Kasi lalo na sa business natin na 'to, especially for us, we have the team The Influencers, and I'm very very proud that I'm here in the team. Even if you don't okay lang na kahit na wala kang team, but if you want to have yun nga yung sabi ko na mas malakas at mas matibay ang magiging pundasyon mo, mas maganda kung may team ka. And you will find a team which katulad namin, o 'di ba? Kasi kahit na iba-iba kami ng pinanggalingan, iba-iba kami ng pinanggalingan, iba-iba yung trabaho namin, iba-iba yung syempre mindset at saka isip namin, kapag may team ka, may collaboration, may mga kasama ka, nag-share kayo ng mga ideas, ng mga talents niyo, ng mga capability ninyo, ah, para magampanan or magawa ang business ninyo, oh, 'di ba? At saka nakakaganda talaga siya, nakaka-improve, oh, 'di ba? So, so 'yun yung maganda kung may kasama kang katrabaho tulad ng team namin. Ah, every one of us hindi naman tech savvy, 'di ba? Especially if we are on digital online business. Kailangan talaga tech savvy ka. Pero dito, kahit na hindi tech savvy, hindi pwede kasi we have a team who can work with, who can help you guys with the pagiging tech savvy. Yung iba naman, magaling mag-put out ng mga ideas. They can easily make wordings, ayan yung mag-storytelling kumbaga, because here in our business, part of our of our way of attracting is storytelling. We have to be authentic and tell our stories, and so many of our business partners, they don't have that kind of ideas. Pero kapag may team ka, nalalabas yon at na-encourage, na motivate na malabas ang mga ideas at ang story mo. Yun yung kagandahan. And the good thing is, meron naman yung mga active na mga kasama namin sa team, which is they push us, good push ha, which they push us to engage into like this, in these challenges, right? Where we support, where we encourage, and where we motivate each other. And this 90 days success challenge is one of them, and it's initiated by one of our business partners. So yun yung kagandahan. At saka at least dito nalalabas namin yung mga ideas namin, nasa-share namin yung mga stories namin, at saka nakikilala namin yung isa't isa. So yun yung kagandahan kung bakit kailangan ng may teamwork. Just like those at saka kung tulad nung ants na yun, 'di ba? We know the one that ants are very hardworking even if it's on rainy days. Maliliit lang yung mga yan, pero dahil sa teamwork nila at saka sipag tiyaga, tingnan nyo, nakakabuo sila ng malaking colony. O, di ba? Laki-laki ng colony nila as time goes on. And matibay pa, o di ba? Kaya kahit na tag-ulan, bumagyo, ayan, nandun yung colony nila. So it's just like a teamwork. If everyone is working, helping each other, and especially if we are growing and getting bigger, then may open communication, may mga support, may mga help sa isa't isa, napapansin ang team, o 'di ba? So, we are shining, our team is shining and blooming in our community. So, 'yun yung maganda. So, pero bakit ba namin na ano 'yun, naaabot 'yun, at saka bakit ba napapansin or nakikita ang aming team sa aming bigger community? It's because number one, number three, I'll just point three main reasons. Third is the open communication. We have a open communication sa aming mga business partners. That is why we have these chat groups, especially because we are working in a digital online business. That's why we have these chat groups that even if we are on different time zone, different locations, we were able to be updated because we have these chat groups where we share our ideas, where we acknowledge and recognize everyone. Oh, di ba? And yung maganda pa, we make sure that everyone is comfortable speaking up. Ayun. That is why yung iba nagsasalita sila ng kanilang language, yung iba nagsasalita ng Tagalog, Ilocano, or English, pero nagkakaintindihan naman kasi may mga taga-translate, o di ba? So, yun yung maganda dito sa aming team, o di ba? And the second one is recognizing. We always recognize new members. We always appreciate, we welcome them, we acknowledge them, and uh, through our open communication din. And then we welcome them, we recognize, and we appreciate what they do through making the banners, so 'di ba? At saka may mga simple gifts pag minsan, lalo na pag to motivate or to recognize the the hard work of our business partners. Pag minsan may mga pakulo si coach, o 'di ba? At saka yung mga team. Kaya masaya. 'Yun. And always recognize and welcome your new team members so that they will feel comfortable on our team. at saka para maging open din sila at masabi nila kung ano ang gusto nila, o 'di ba? And, the first one, ito yung pinaka-first one. Baka dito niyo makuha ang sagot for that question. The secret ingredient that turns a group of individuals into high-performing team. So, yung third quiz open communication, recognizing, and the first one for paano natin naaabot ang dream work, because we say that teamwork makes the dream work, at paano natin naaabot yan. The first one is trust and respect. So, 'di ba? Trust and respect to each and every one of us. So, there is a boundaries to each and every one. So may mga rules and regulations kami sa group where we follow and where we respect everyone, o 'di ba? At saka yung pinaka number one is the trust. Kasi hindi naman sasali ang tao sa or hindi naman sasama sa team ang tao sa kung walang trust, 'di ba? Tulad ko, hindi naman ako mapapasama or mapapasali sa business na ito kung wala akong trust. Wala akong trust sa isang kaibigan ko, which is si Gina. 'Di ba? So, hindi talaga ako mapapasama kung hindi ko siya pinagkakatiwalaan. Yun yung ano dito. And we live by that word, trust talaga. Kasi we are always telling this to everyone that yes, this business is legit. This business is not a scam, and that's why we are putting trust. We are letting you know that you can trust us, di ba? And we are letting you show that everything that we are saying, everything that we are doing here is true, that you can trust us. So that's the beauty of trust and respect, 'di ba? And especially respecting ideas. Through this open communication and recognizing, we are sharing our ideas and we respect that. We accept it, we acknowledge it, and we recognize it. And then we will talk about what's good about it, 'di ba? Kaya yan yung kagandahan at saka yung trust talaga. So, so yun yung parang gusto kong ma-share lang dito sa teamwork makes the dream work, 'di ba? So, kahit na yun nga, yan yung sinasabi nila na business, pero what about what they're talking about? Bakit sila nagsasalita about team? Akala ko ba this is a business? Yes, this is a business, but you have your own business, you can work it on your own. But because it's a digital online business, and if you want a fast pace na makaangat ka, kaya mabilis ang pag-angat ng aming team, ng aming community, it's because we are sharing ideas, we have this open communication, we acknowledge and we recognize everyone. And pwede ka namang mag-work sa sarili mo, pero it will take time because you will still be learning things along the way. But here in our community, we are sharing right away the do's and don'ts of the business, di ba? And the strategies. So yun yung kagandahan. That is why we have this team. And yun yung dahil sa trust din na hindi ka makakaangat na ikaw lang, kasi kailangan mo ang tulong ng mga kasama mo. At saka kailangan mo din lang silang tulungan para umangat ka. 'Di ba? So yun yung kagandahan. And yes. So ano ang sagot sa question ko? What's the secret ingredient that turns a group of individuals into a high-performing team? Sagot ni Cheryl is sweldo or income. Pwede, kasi namo-motivate nga naman ang tao, ang member kapag may sahod, o 'di ba? At saka may incentive pa, at saka may overtime pa na times 2. Wow! Hindi ang saya-saya. Tapos sabi niya ulit, or the award. Oh, yes, kasi recognizing and acknowledging one's effort is very important so that ma-motivate at ma-encourage. Pero you can do that alone eh. You can just work on your own, show them that you can, and you will receive an award, right? Pero we're talking about teamwork. So sabi naman ni Casey, Abad, food. Naman. food. Siguro kapag may meeting, oo nga 'no, isa din 'yun, eh, kasi, if you were, ano na 'to, yung may mga ka-team ka 'di ba, and then if they want food lalo na 'pag sa work, lalo na 'pag sa mga night shift mahilig sa pagkain, they always bring food, oh, 'di ba, to encourage everyone and to motivate siguro para magtrabaho pa dahil sa pagkain. Oo naman. Pero meron pa yung isa na ano, puwede rin food din, oh, 'di ba? Choose to watch all the replays and catch up sa mga go live. Yes, yan yung isang way of showing or showing teamwork, o 'di ba? So, teamwork is the ingredient. Yes, pwede. Pero meron sa teamwork. Ano ang meron? Secret ingredient sa teamwork na dapat na para magkaroon ng high performing or para mabilis or mabilis at maganda ang performance ng team. O 'di ba? As always, teamwork makes the dream works. Yes, sis. And hi, sis Debbie. Aba, oo nga, nakahabol ka, girl. Hello. Oh, thank you. Yes, you're welcome, Jeans. I always say thank you to you. Oh my gosh. So relate ako, aba, si Zap. Oh, teamwork. Hindi. Ano nga yung ano, nasa teamwork, secret ingredient ng teamwork, na nasa teamwork, that make it a high performing. O, di ba? Mission and vision of the company of business. Pwede. Pero yun talaga yung maganda sa vision mission ng business na 'to, eh, kasi yun dun talaga ako natindig na business starts at home. Yun yung sabi mismo ng may-ari. At saka dun na talaga ako na-hook talaga. Kaya sabi ko, eh, "Oh, this business will be with me." 'Di ba? Ito na yung magiging business ko, wala ng iba. And communication, yes, that is one. But there is a one ingredient that what makes the communication good. O, di ba? Para magkaroon ng magandang communication. O, communication din si Jeans. O, harmony. O, pwede rin. Harmony. Pero meron sa harmony kung bakit may harmony. O ba? Ay, may nakasagot. Oo, di ba? Ang galing ni Zap. Trust. Yes, trust. Trust talaga ang aba, ito basahin ko lang muna ang sagot nila. Di ba? Common goals, pwede. Respect, pwede rin. Pero meron din yung respect eh. Kung ano yung meron sa respect na yun, di ba? Which is yung sinabi ni Trust, ni Zap. Tumawa si Shay. Collaboration. Yes, meron sa collaboration kung bakit may magandang collaboration. And it's the trust. 'Di ba? Kasi kung trust mo yung isang tao, diyan nagkakaroon na ng ano eh, open communication, respeto, nagsisilabasan na yung 'yan. 'Di ba? Communication, respeto, ano pa ba, good collaboration, good harmony, kasi you trust that person. And naniniwala ka na magiging kaya nyo ang malalagpasan nyo ang mga challenges at saka mga struggles sa business kung may trust ka. Oh, di ba? So that is the secret ingredient of yes, kahit ako may tama ako, di ba? So that's the secret ingredient that turns a group of individuals, oh, di ba? Kasi yung group of individuals, that's already called team, as a high-performing team. So, yan, tiwala, tiwala. Tiwala sa lahat, 'di ba? Kasi ako, nakuha ako sa tiwala. I trust a friend. That is why I joined the business, and I was able to see the system, and I trust the system. That is why I'm doing the business. And when I'm doing the business, I trust the process. That's why I'm enjoying the journey. And while I'm enjoying the journey, I trust my team. That is why I'm opening up my ideas, sharing ideas, and collaborating with them. O, di ba? So, and because of that trust, I was able to come up with my milestone. Oh, di ba? So, nakaabot ako ng milestone. It's because of the trust. Oh. So, yan. Trust talaga. So, di ba? And we are doing attraction marketing because we believe that people will trust us. Di ba? So, yun ang maganda. So so kaya natin shine-share ang, pinapakitang pagmumukha natin kasi we trust everything in our business and we want people to trust us and come with us and to see this business that we are sharing with them. So yun ang gusto kong sabihin ngayon dahil sa teamwork na 'to, it's because of the trust that we have to each other. So I trust everyone who is here in our business, o 'di ba? So I trust that everyone can make it. That's why don't quit. Keep going because I trust that you can make it. O, 'di ba? Ako nga narating ko ang milestone na to because nagtiwala talaga ako sa sarili ko, nagtiwala ako sa system, ako sa kaibigan ko at nagtiwala ako sa team at saka sa mga taong kasama ko dito. That is why I'm here. And I know that you can make it too as long as you trust us, as long as you trust yourself, and as long as you trust the system and the business. So that is what I want to share right now. O, di ba? So, yes, kahit na na-late galing-galing ni Zap, kahit na na-late ka, nakuha mo, girl. O, di ba? Yes, kahit late ako, may tao ako. Sayang, dapat pala may papremyo ako. Choco Pops. So, yes, good morning. Ay, good morning, Sis Lay. Habol, habol. Watch the replay, sis. And I love your live. Very interactive. Oh, thank you, sis. And congratulations, sis. Zapra prize is free accommodation. Free accommodation sa Chula Vista. Sabi ko pa man din, Choco Pops. Don't give an idea. O, di ba? So, yes, make it louder, o, di ba? O, yan talaga yung sinasabi namin. That is why we are doing this one. We are showing our faces because we want you to trust us. O, di ba? Yun lang naman yun. At saka yun talaga yung secret ingredient. And hi, Sis Marian. Enjoy your lunch. Hi, Ate Meg. Aba, lunch galore. Saan ka nag-lunch? Baka social, ah. And then, nakahabol din si Sis Lay. Yes, nakahabol din. Oh, yes, so that is for today, for our 58th day Go Challenge. And for tomorrow, let's see what tomorrow will bring. And ignore the happy birthday na pindot lang ni Be. Ay, okay. No worries. I haven't seen the happy birthday though. So, yes, thank you so much for coming into my live. And tomorrow will be a new day. So, don't let the hard days win, di ba? Kasi there are more better na dapat na intindihin, di ba? So, mga bashers nyo, huwag nyong pansinin. Just keep doing what you are doing, continue on what you are doing, and then just block and erase those bashers. Wag niyong hayaang yung stress ay mag-sink in sa inyo. And just enjoy the process, di ba? Kasi we are not doing anything naman eh. We are not doing anything wrong. We are not harming any people. So we are just sharing this very beautiful or very beneficial business that we encountered and considered as a blessing. So, di ba? So, yan na. Ay, patas na pala. Just watch the replay. Oh, yes, sis. So, thank you so much for everything. And I wanna see you tomorrow. May natutunan ako sa StreamYard. And thank you guys. See you tomorrow. And if you want to learn StreamYard with me, I'm free. I'm available. Oh, thank you. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much and bye-bye. Have a blessed Tuesday and choose the good ones. Never let the bad days win. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.